Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Okay, so we just wait for 2 minutes, all right, for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the section shortly. Okay, I think shall we start? All right. Again, welcome everyone to today live training section. Okay, before I start the webinars, disclaimer as usual. All right, everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as an investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. By the way, let me know if you guys can hear me clearly. Okay. Um, can you guys see my screen? I believe you guys can see. Okay, cool. All right, let's just start. Okay, the speaker for today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and proprietary trader as well. This is some certificate I have had all the challenge. So basically, if you want to pass all the prop firm, right? Basically, you need to pass the challenge. Phase one is like 8 to 10% profit target, and phase two 5% profit target. And if you pass all the challenge, they will give you the capital to manage. Okay, so basically just maybe we just go over to our charts again. If you have any pair you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just request. Okay, let's just have a quick look on newsletter. So basically only use Forex Factory to look for the high impact news, which is later we have GDP. Okay, so we just change the time zone according where you live over here. Okay, so later there's only one news that you need to take note of, which is GDP and unemployment claim. And tomorrow, if you trade EUR, USD, or anything paired with EUR, you need to take note of CPI. And we have GDP for CAD and US dollar. Okay, for core PCE tomorrow, Fridays. Okay, shall we just highlight the key level? Okay, so let's just look at dollar. So basically now dollar is at my support level. Okay, here. The rebound off. If you just look at like stochastic and RSI, they already like oversold, like you can see over here. So the about off, what we can see if you to look at market structures, just look at like price mega lower low, lower high, the quick one, right? And now they cannot make a lower low, instead of they make a equal low right here. And now they break above this high, right? So now either you market strategy here, price pullback. That's why I highlight at the first support, and we can see the price action over here. So expected the dollar will be rising to first resistance, okay, which is somehow it's close to 30.2% Fibonacci retracement. And that's how you can see that USD is falling because they have negative correlation with dollar index, right? So this I identify the first support, which is yesterday price could not fall below the first support level, right? So now I need to highlight the level again from first support. Now it's become pullback resistance level. So if you want to enter sell, you have to go at this level. Okay, my second support gonna be my first support right here, which is close to extension. Okay, how we use the extension is that the price already break below our starting point, right? Which is 100%. Let me just as you guys can see this. Okay, my starting point is 100%, ending point is 0. So price break below. Okay, so now we wait for price to pull back and then we're going to short. Okay, USD, which is here. We will target the TP somewhere at first support level. Okay. The second support I will identify this my pullback support level is over here. Okay. You want to sell last night for EURUSD over here. I do sell, okay, last night because they cannot make a higher high. Instead of they make it equal high in head 4 time frame, and then you can see that there is a divergence over here. So last night I enter sell and I already closed when price, close to like this multi-swing low, and then they pull back again, and then I short EU again, okay, and already closed. Okay, price could not go below this week, right? You can see that, and then they bounce off from that level. I'm not buy up here. Okay, I'm waiting to short again at this level when price pull back or retrace. Okay, this is my sell entry right here at the first resistance level. This one I enter at H1 time frame. You have to go to H1 time frame. This there overlap resistance level. That's why I short here and I target at this TP is over here. Okay, so now you should wait for price to pull back, and then we're gonna re-enter again at first resistance right here. Okay, this is gonna be H4 time frame for second resistance level. So this is pending sell order at first resistance, which is 1.1102. Okay, that is your sell entry. For the GBPUSD, I hold the GBPUSD since like yesterday. Okay, like I positive. Okay, I enter sell 4.9 lot. It's somewhere above here. Price falling to this level. I think I earned about 3.2K plus, but I did not close because I put the TP somewhere around at the first support, and price reverse. Okay, and falling because they line up with my first resistance here. Okay, somewhere there it's close to 61.8. That's why I have another enter sale right here. Okay, I target which is somewhere first support right here for my TP1. Okay, you can see they cannot go below this week, right? Again, if you were to look at RSI, why I sell here? Because there's divergence here. Okay, right there versus the RSI over here. And if you were to look at the RSI, price already over bought for like so many days here, right? But then price keep rising. Okay, so sometimes if you want to trade with just like overbought, oversold based on RSI, you will get a stop out if you just to look at this one. Okay, why price is not reversed from this one? Because there is no divergence right here. If you were to go to the lower time frame, you will see that in the lower time frame, okay, you will see the price action over here, right? Where you can see like yesterday in H1 time frame, which is right here. I move up here, right? Your price action. Okay, so that's why we can hold. And if you to look at daily time frame, okay, price also like over bought as well. So just hold the sale. But later we do have news just to know that. So okay, this is my key level. I try to keep my trade setup really basic. So basically, I just go to the higher time frame like H4 to identify the key level. Okay, and then I go to the lower time frame to look for confirmation. That would be like price action, diversion or rejection in the lower time frame. That would be M5 or M15. Okay, and then I just execute my trade based on the lower time frame. Okay, and what I highlight, like identify the key level, and then I will use Fibonacci to like find the level. Okay, this is the level I already shot here. Okay, I'm still hold my order to my somewhere before first support for my TP1, because before the first support, they're kind of like, this is my area of support level. We have 23.6% and extension 161.8. Okay, so if price come to this level, I'm gonna buy up. I might just target here and I want to continue to sell. Buy, close, and then I'll open sale at this level, and then we'll target as second support. Okay. Use the JPY as well. Let's just identify the key level. Let's just look at the daily time frame, what we can see over here. You just identify this our support level. Okay. Based on daily time frame, right? And this is gonna be our second support in daily time frame. Go to H4. Now, it's good like I'll buy here for scalping. I close here for TP1, right? This is my TP1 for H4 time frame, which is how many pip is that? You keep in mind, okay, even though at the week are like 140 pip for the UJ, right? So I will identify this is my intermediate resistance level. Okay, price could not go above, but move up right here. My multi swing low for second support. And I just leave here, adjust. It's my first support right there. My first resistance gonna be here. I will stretch here. Okay. What level would you choose if you were to like identify the key level and then you pull Fibonacci? Okay. I will choose 23.6% and 38.2 for my intermediate resistance and first resistance. And the second resistance that would be right here for my second resistance. Okay. You can just leave like that, it make it clean, meaning that price you monitor this level. I'm not gonna sell because you were to look at the UJ in H4, it's just ranging. Right now it's ranging. So if I already close, because I buy here, close here, I'm not gonna re-enter again because it's just ranging. So I don't trade. Okay, so we just leave it at that. But these are the key level that you need to take note of for the UJ. Okay. Another level, this is gonna be overlap, right? Overlap resistance. This is the one. That's why price break, go here, and you can see that we trade here, overlap, and then continue to fall down, and now it's just ranging. So we're gonna enter for the UJ. But if you were to trade based on the lower time frame for scalping, that is up to you guys, right? This is my key level. My main pair that I trade, okay, that will be EURUSD, GBPUSD, and gold. Okay, but like for a few weeks, I try to stay away from gold because gold is very hard to trade nowadays. Okay, so just stay far away from gold at the moment. Now let's just look for the UCAT. This is your a support in daily time frame. Okay, I will adjust the level based on H4, but now I just want to look for the level first. Now price should add the extension 161.8 right there, I think. Okay, so just leave 161 for my first support. It's gonna be, let me look at H4. It's gonna be first resistance. Meaning that I somehow pull back target here. First support, okay, this is gonna be swing. This is gonna be your second resistance level. If price break your first support, we need to look to the left to find the level. This is gonna be your second support, okay? Yeah. There is gonna be okay. Let me just identify this is our support. Okay, price could not go above. This is gonna be your first resistance, right? You can see that. This is second resistance. Should we just use Fibonacci level? You can request. Okay. Do you see that when you identify the level, you will see that okay, price is not close to any level. Okay, either I think you're gonna pick, I will leave 38 and 61.8%. And this I'm gonna highlight this the zone. Okay. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, in M15, it's very clearly that price is just sideways. Okay, so now either we identify this our bullet order block, meaning that you might want to enter when price falling to here, and then you're gonna buy up again. Okay, your bullet order block over here, the buy up. Target your TP for resistance, and second TP gonna be slightly before your second resistance. Okay, even though here it's quite a big zone, right? So you need to wait for confirmation in the lower time frame, and then if you want to like sell at this level, or if you have the pending order over here, your SL have to be above this week. Okay. Will you close your position before major news? Yes, usually. Okay. It depends. Like for example, GBP, right? Now GBP, the GBUSD I still buy as sell. So I might close like second entry like over here because I just want to collect money first. And the another first order which is I carry from yesterday, I might ship my stop loss, okay, to either break even, and then I might hold because I want to target here for the second. But most of the time, like 95%, if already happy with profit, and then I will close my trade. Okay, because I don't want to like you already see the money, and then sometime like you plus 1K 2K, and then price might kind of like reverse just slightly before the new and hit your break even, and then falling to hit your TP, then eventually you earn nothing. Yeah, so most of the time, like 90 to 95%, I will close my trade. Unless if I just, I sell slightly above here, I will hold. Okay, but GBUSD, I still hold my trade. EURUSD already closed because now it's still falling. We still, okay, wait here. Okay, for currency you can hold, but usually gold, right? If I trade gold, I don't hold. Okay, I don't trade during the news event because it's very volatile for gold. Okay, this bullet at the block. Okay, Aussie. Let me look for the Aussie dollar. We need to look for daily. Okay, what you can see here, one price break above your, if you were to identify this, your like resistance level, right? Now it become pullback, right? Because price already close above, this gonna be your first support. Okay, price pullback and then you continue to buy. You can use the extension to target your second first resistance. Okay, for my first resistance, I might put here. Okay, based on daily time frame, but I usually identify in H4. Okay, but sometimes H4 we cannot see the level very clearly, so I need to go like one time frame higher. Okay, so now you have to look at that like that, where it's gonna adjust the level. I will adjust this. It's gonna be my I will just put here for my first support. Okay. Let me remove this one first. Let me try to get the level. Now, in H1, okay, we can do the extension. Okay, so target here for my TP1, for like first resistance. Second resistance, I might keep at extension 161.8. Okay, so I will leave it like that. I'll monitor the level for the Aussie. Let me just look on the left. There will be somehow here. Okay, look at daily. Okay, all good. Meaning we might see the retrace from this level. Okay. What you can see that price is ranging in H4 right here before they decided to break. When they break, what you can see here, break above, pull back, and then continue to go up, right? You can see that break above, pull back, continue to rise. Okay, so this gonna be the level. Okay, Kiwi dollar. Let me look at weekly. In weekly time frame, this is our bearish for the block. Okay. That's why price come to bearish order block, and then you can see the rejection. This is gonna be your first support. This is gonna be your second support. Okay, you can see that price just go into bearish order block and then reject, right? You can see the rejection. 127 right there. So within bearish order block, we do have extension over here. So we just leave like that. Okay. My second resistance right here. Okay. You can see that. You can see one price go to the zone, right? You can see the rejection in the M15. Okay. There's a divergence right there. So how many pip was that? Like this one to this one, 23 pip. Okay, like if you wait for confirmation, like this one close, you open the sale over here, price falling. Right there is 72 pip. Okay. This the level. Now, I cannot draw Fibonacci yet because the high is not the high. Price still rising. So we're not going to draw Fibonacci like from swing low to swing high here. Because price still make a high, right? That if not, you need to keep adjusting. So I'm not gonna draw Fibonacci. Just leave it like that. Okay, this is the key level. It is a first resistance. You will get the entry like buy over here. Your buy zone is here. You see that one price go to this used to be resistance, I pull back, you buy up, break above, become the resistance, I pull back support, keep rising for the Kiwi dollar. This is a daily time frame. Like Aussie and Kiwi is not my favorite pair, that's why I don't trade. Okay, let's just look at OA. This one is still be the support level, right? In daily time frame, okay, this is gonna be the first support, like right there. It's gonna be my buy entry, which is at first support level. Okay, I think that would be 61.8% FIB level, or 78.6, slightly there. Okay, so we highlight the zone. Let's say you want to buy up here. Okay, we buy up. Where is our TP? Where is your first resistance? This is gonna be TP. Okay, they're gonna like your first resistance gonna be slightly before TP1. Okay, that you want to buy here. It's very hard to find the level in oil, but this the level. Okay, I think they captures like this level for oil, like over here. So you want to see like that. Sometimes you want to see, you can highlight the wick and the body. Okay. And this the zone. You will get like the sale over here. Okay, one price go all the way down, make a lower high, right? And now they kind of bounce off from the support. At this level, it's an overlap resistance and then continue to fall. So now you can wait at first support right here, which is around 73.99 to 28 point, no, 73.67, something like that. That is gonna be your buy entry for oil. See how it look like in H1. Okay, you can see the one price go to resistance level. Okay, they kind of make a lower high, right? And then they just ranging in H1. That's why you can hold your trade, or you can enter your sell here and then you hold. You can see your price action right here, right here. Okay, and then it's just ranging. Even like M15 price action, it really is nice. It's right here, right? Your price action, like here, right? And then you hold your trade. But this is a key level. Look at okay. Gold is just ranging. Okay. Could not go anywhere. Just identify. You see that is the first resistance level. If price break above this week, I would target extension right there. Okay, that could be your second resistance. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. The support level for gold gonna be here. And the second support. Okay. Now gold is just ranging. First, like you can see that like yesterday price gonna make the M pattern, right? And then they pull back to the neckline like over here. That's why a lot of people short at this level and then price falling. Like how many pips? Like here. Okay, falling like 100 pips from here to here, more than 100 pips, and now it's just ranging in H4 time frame. So it just will leave go like that. Okay, but the first resistance, you need to highlight this at the zone, right? The wick and the body, which is right here. Okay, your first resistance. I think dollar is falling. Okay, that's why EU rising and GU also rising. See, where you go in, where you want to enter the sale. You have FBG, okay? So gold, I think we can sell when gold is go to like 25.20 to 25.24. So you can sell from here. Okay. Okay, any pair you want me to have a look, or I just go through the major? Okay, we just look for Germany. What happening? Delhi. Okay, this is the high, right? It seems like is they going to break? Is this all-time high? Okay, it's already all-time high here. Okay, what we can do? Do you think that they're going to make a new high? Okay, let's just identify first, this is your first resistance, right? If price break above target extension, they're gonna be your, look at daily first. To support. Okay, gonna be second. Price rising very strongly, so we're not gonna sell from first resistance because there is no confirmation. Okay, there is no anything. Price still rising. We just identify that first. Okay, that level, because if they break above like this high, which all-time high, which is first resistance, okay, and then you can wait for price to pull back. For first resistance is will become support. Okay, meaning that price need to break, you wait for price to pull back, and then you buy up like that. So now it's still at the first resistance. Okay. Dow Jones also also all-time high, like over here. First resistance level. I will use second resistance right here. We have extension 127. First support right here. Gonna be your second support right here. Okay. Meaning that if you want to short at this zone, okay, you need to wait for confirmation. Or if you put a pending order, your SL just slightly above your first resistance, because if price break above that, it's going to be your next sell zone, second resistance like that. Right? You can stretch all the way here. Okay. One level. US 500. Oh, wow. Almost to make an all-time high. Let me see for daily. Let's just put this one is our first resistance. This is first support, right? Okay. Second resistance right there. Okay, you can see that in H4 time frame is just ranging, right? So we're not gonna use trade here to see like that. Okay, but this is the level. Second support is gonna be right here. Okay. For resistance, I think we just leave it at extension 127. Okay, next that. Okay, is I need to find this one is your first resistance. But you can see that it's very hard to get the level for the indices. It's me. This is the first part. We have 30.2% for second. 30.2. I will just leave like that, okay? Meaning that we will highlight the zone is here. We have 28. Okay. So now price already go in the zone. We're gonna sell here, right? Now go in the zone already. This is our zone. Okay, we're gonna not sell now because it seems like they might want to break above the level. Okay, you have to wait first. I don't see any rejection. Okay, but this is the key level. Still can go up more. Look at GJ. Okay, GBP JPY is just ranging, right, for a few weeks already. So I'm not gonna, I don't have any order for the GBP JPY because it's just ranging, right? You can see that it's just ranging in H4. We just leave the key level like that because it's still ranging right here. Okay, but if the level, I may need to adjust a bit more like that. S&P 500. Okay, so basically now they already at the this is the supply zone, right? This is the supply zone. Okay, meaning that gonna be the resistance level right there. And within here, supply zone, we do have the bearish or the block. Okay, right here. The support. Second support right here. But we need to use the extension if price break above your resistance level. they're gonna be gonna be your second resistance right there. Here is your resistance zone, okay, and the box here. Okay, go to BTC. Do I have the BTC here? Okay, here. Let's go. BTC at resistance now is support. Now price is at the support level. This is the daily support, right? Like that's why it bounce up. I don't trade BTC though because anyway, but a lot of people like to trade BTC. They just highlight the key level. H4. You want to adjust based on here. This is gonna be your first resistance, meaning that we buy from here, right? Because it's a support level in daily time frame, and here have hidden either base supply over here, meaning that gonna sell over here. We just identify this one at multi swing high resistance. That's gonna be 61, 50. Okay, this is our sell zone. This is a key level. Ethereum. Wow, a lot of people selling Ethereum, right? You were to look at daily, right? You will get the sale. This is you identify your first resistance, right? 50% level. When price go to the resistance, right? You can see your price action right here, daily time frame. You can see that your price action here. Okay, and then when price bounce on this level, because either you identify this your bullet or the block. Yeah. Okay. Go to H4. How are you going to trade based on here? Either in H4, we identified your first resistance right here. Okay. Your second resistance. Should be 38.2%. Fifth. It's a bullish order block in daily. We just remove because we want to identify the level based on H4. First support. Second support, I just put here at the body. Okay, right there. Okay, this is the level. If you to ask me, it's nice to trade. I don't think it's nice, but you may consider. Okay, this is the level, meaning that sell, right? This is the level. The rejection here. It's good to sell. Okay, based on M15, you should sell and then you should close the TP. Is here, it should be TP1. Okay, you want to sell. This is good for you to sell TP here. For scalping, okay. the news is coming, right? So either you want to short and then you happy with profit, you should close. This is like this is gonna be your TP. For M15. Okay. All right. Any pair you want me to have a look beside? Okay, we just see gold is rising. Okay, gold is rising. Okay, you see? It's our sell zone already for gold. I really rising really strongly. EU rising, this one also rising. DXY because DXY is falling. Okay. Go to M15. We can see that this dollar is falling. That's why EU is rising. GU also rising. This is based on M5, okay? But gold really strong. Silver, silver. What is the silver? Is I think XAG, right? Which one should I use? Let's go to this one then. It's the same, I think it should be rising because gold is dollar is falling now. Okay, let's just identify. Okay, this the level. It's the big zone here. This is the resistance level or sell zone. Okay, these are the sell zone already. First support. Your sell zone here, okay? Sell. Second support. Okay. So silver can sell, but it's still in the zone. So just be careful. Price is already in the zone, falling back up again. I don't trade silver, so this is how it look like in head 4. You can sell, right? For sell your TP just slightly before first support level. Go. And I tempted to sell gold. I need to look for the thing holding. I think I will just enter. Let me just sell gold, okay? For a small lot size. Maybe I just put once. My SL just okay. Let me chart gold first. Okay, let me sell gold. My SL should be like 50 pip. Depend on your lot size. But it keep rising really strong, so just put the small lot size, that will be enough. SL you just put where you're willing to lose. Okay, that's all. All right, thank you so much for your time. Again, if you want to short go, okay, you can short now your SL. Where I put my SL like above 25.30, like above that. Okay, because I did not like over trade. Now I already blue for gold, then I enter sell. Let's just see. Okay, whether price will falling. I will scalp gold at least 30 to 50 pip or 100 pip. Let's just see. Okay, now it blue. All right, it blue already. Okay, thank you so much for your time. We see you again in the next webinar. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now. You're welcome.